If you have opened this video, you are probably interested in trading on the stock exchange. In order to make money on the stock exchange, you need to know where the price of a particular currency will go, for example, the euro dollar. And this week there will be good news on the euro dollar. There will be a decision on the interest rate of the European Central Bank. And the euro dollar will go either up or down. To find out where it will go and how to capitalize on it, subscribe to my Telegram channel. 30 minutes before the news release on this and other important news that will be coming this week, I will warn everyone we make money together. I will also show my reversal points right on the chart in the MetaTrader platform. This is the most popular platform for stock trading. I use technical analysis, simple analysis to see where the price is going to go. Right now, I'm going to show these reversal points in the platform. And I'm also going to show the currency pair that my trading robot makes the best money on. And by the way, I filmed an interview this week with a trader who made 32% on my trading robot over the last month. Be sure to check it out. The trader is from Kazakhstan. He's a beginner with almost no experience in trading, so I'm very happy for him. Here at the top will be a link, or I have subscribed to the channel. One of the latest videos on the channel is an interview with this trader. So here we go. So let's start the analysis with the euro dollar. This is the most popular currency pair, and here we need to find support lines and resistance lines in order to determine entry point. As you can see, I've already drawn the purple line. These are support and resistance lines from where the price usually reverses. I gave these reversal points last week, and they have not worked out yet, but they will probably work out, and you can make money on them. We just have to wait a little bit. If we are impatient and we want to find more reversal points and trade more often, we just choose a smaller time frame. There's a panel at the top. Click on H1, and here we find other reversal points on other support and resistance line. Look, I'm going to draw a resistance line on the euro dollar. Judging by it, there's a reversal point coming up. I have drawn it as a turquoise rectangle, and from here I show it with a downward arrow. That is, when the price reaches this line, it is likely to turn around and go down. This movement may not last long, but nevertheless, you can make a quick profit on it using the broker's leverage and even a small deposit. There is also a support line at the bottom. Here on H4, you can see it. Here on H1, it continues. And if the price goes down and reaches the support line, there will be another reversal point. From this line, you can buy and make money on the growth of the euro dollar. On the one hand, it does not look complicated. On the other hand, if you are just starting to learn the financial market, you may have difficulties. How to correctly identify support and resistance line. Well, also how to install the terminal, customize it, and so on. Basic things, and I have all these basic things in my course on trading for beginners from scratch. If you are just starting to learn the market, then message me on Telegram at the link in the description. I will tell you how you can get this course for free and lay a good foundation with training, with knowledge, not to lose but to make more money. Let's take a closer look at the euro dollar and look for other entry points based on other instruments. In general, MetaTrader has a lot of different tools and indicators. By the way, there are many videos on indicators on the channel, so subscribe to learn for free. But now we will look at the Fibonacci grid. It's a grid like this where there's a Fibonacci ratio. And what I'm observing is that the price, when it was going up, it had a wave, you see, up, and then it corrected down. It broke away from the 38.2 level. This is a good sign. It means that if the price goes further down, it can repeat such corrections from the level of 50 and from the level of 61.8. Accordingly, it will be possible to buy from here to capitalize on the growth. You can, in order not to miss these trades, immediately make an alert here, and as soon as the price approaches you, terminal will notify you. It will ring here. You can buy and make money on growth or immediately put pending orders. But what are pending orders? If you don't know it, go through the flower, my course, and you will learn all this built in MetaTrader. It's simple and very convenient, but also be careful, pay attention to the news. When I first started trading, I also used support and resistance lines, but I didn't take into account the news. Sometimes when there was a support line, I wanted to buy, and this week it will be similar. The price may reach the support line, you decide to buy. But at that point, the big news that I was talking about could come out. The interest rate decision of the European Central Bank. If there will be a decision to lower the interest rate, it is quite possible that the price could go down. And the news could have a stronger impact on the euro dollar going down than the support line on the euro dollar going up. If you buy from the support line and the news comes out at the same time, you could lose money. In order for you not to lose money, always take the news into account. So subscribe to my Telegram channel. I warn everyone in time. Be very attentive. Let's look at one of the favorite tools of my subscribers and traders in general. This is gold to the dollar. As we can see on this chart, I marked a reversal point last week. You can take a look and see for yourself on my last issue. I talked about this reversal point there and see how perfectly it worked out. Look, there was a resistance line, price came to that level and exactly bounced off that line. This confirms the validity of resistance and support line. I've been trading on them for years. I've been doing releases for you for the 5th year on YouTube, so subscribe and get some good reversal points for free. Well, if you want to get selected reversal points that I trade on, together with charts, together with reversal points, together with entry points, code to buy, sell, take profit, exit from the deal, you can get all this in my VIP channel. Write to me on the link in Telegram. I will tell you how to subscribe to it. Let's see if there are still some reversal points on gold and hopes to make money on it. Well, here's what I see. In general, gold is a very capricious instrument. It is very volatile. It can quickly break through support and resistance line, but sometimes it works out very well. Sometimes it doesn't reach it a little bit. Look, right here, pay attention to this place. The first time the price didn't reach and rebounded very strongly. The second time it came in and rebounded too. Gold, you should take into account that sometimes you can enter the deal earlier when the price has not reached the resistance line because it is very volatile. It didn't reach the resistance line a little bit and it's already rebounded. So I call these places zone. I mean, you can't expect that it's going to bounce right off the line. Sometimes the price has entered the zone and is ready to bounce. For example, look at the support line down below. You see here is a good support line. The price has bounced a few times. Just once, 2, 3 candles. 1200 pips. That is, it was very good to earn $1,200 from each traded lot. Moreover, to trade one lot, it is enough only $100 at the broker with which I cooperate. On the link in the description of this video, you can open an account. And if the price goes down again, this zone can be repeated. That is, you can buy here again and make money on the growth. And it can also be several times. But the only thing to note here is that this place is a zone. It is no longer a line because it is a little bit blurred. We can consider the very minimum right here, but still I would consider it as a zone because I would not hope for an exact correction from the line. Just in this zone you can buy, not to sell, but to buy. And if the price goes up, it can also touch this resistance line once again. However, according to my strategy, it is already weakened, but nevertheless, there is a potential. It will be possible to make some money here. And finally, let's look at the currency pair, which is the best to trade with my trading robot. Look, silver is in a gorgeous sideways trend. That is, the price is going up and down, and in this sideways trend. In general, silver has been in a sideways trend for a long time, but it continues. Periodically, I'm shutting down. Now, I'm going to run it on silver as well. Now, it is very good to run it in buy and sell mode at the same time. My robot has 3 modes, and in sideways trends, you can run it in buy and sell mode at the same time, and it collects profit best of all. That is, no matter where the price goes, it collects profit. If you have not yet tried my trading robot, then be sure to write to me on the link. In the description in Telegram, I will tell you how to get it for free. Well, if you already use a trading robot and do not want to customize it yourself, I have a paid consultation where my expert trading robot setup assistant helps to customize the set and shows how to test the robot and give ready-made sets and run together with you robots in trading. Speaking of which, I released an interview the other day. Be sure to watch it with a trader from Kazakhstan who has earned for the last month already on the customization of my assistant Leon. It launched several sets, several currency pairs, 3 currency pairs, as I remember, and we recorded an interview with him. He made 32% in a month, which is nothing short of amazing. And accordingly, I recommend everyone to try it as well. Finally, let me give a signal on silver for manual trading, not only for robots. Here you see the resistance line. As soon as the price approaches this line, you can sell here and capitalize on the decline. So do not miss this level 2. You can put an alert and make money on it. For those who trade according to my trading strategy and withdraw profits from the broker to their cryptocurrency wallet in USDT, I remind you that I use a cryptocurrency wallet that allows not to exchange crypto dollars for rubles, but to spend immediately in a store, restaurant, cafe with the help of your phone. You just scan the QR code from the cryptocurrency wallet and spend USDT directly paying in rubles. That is, you don't need to exchange anything. It's very convenient, so download it. You don't even need to download it. You just open it in Telegram just as a separate chat, and it's very convenient to use it. Download the link crypto payment in the stores of the Russian Federation at the link in the description and use it to your heart's content. Well, I wish you this week successful trading, profit. I wish everyone a successful trading week. Bye-bye.